My name is Erwin Norris. I'm PAI's plant manager for engineering. Today we're talking about our new robot cell here that we got for doing Synchronizer Housings and Synchronizer Clutches. Thought about what products we had that we wanted to get more efficiency and also better quality into our products. And from that we decided that we looked at our clutch housings and things like that. It's a high volume part for us, and we really want to put it out there to the market that we will have the best high-class product that you can get. Being able to run after hours as well as during the day, being able to automate the system from it picking up the part, running through the robot, machining the parts, deburring the parts, identifying the parts, and most importantly, inspecting every part that comes off of the machine to maintain that quality that we have.
Hi, I'm Kevin Bosey. I'm the CNC programming manager for PAI Industries. Started out with an OKK machining center, added a custom pallet changer, or shuttle as we call it. We added a matrix stock peener to stamp our parts, a CMM to check all our parts, and a deburring station. And it also incorporates a 24-part carousel.
My name is Suyok Salunke. I work at PAI as a product engineer. I develop new parts here. I design the processes for development of new parts. Coordinate measurement machine, it checks all the features on the part to the print specification to the 50,000th of an inch. To explain that, 50,000th of an inch will be 100 or 1,000th part of a hair. So this machine will check the part and its feature to the print specification, and if it is off within few tenths on any feature, the CMM will generate a signal and the robot can separate that part out from the manufacturing bin or processes.
One of the biggest benefits is consistency of the product, because with a robot it loads the parts the same way every time. Everything is going to be identified exactly the same. It's going to be deburred exactly the same. Of course, like I said, we talk about the quality. We're looking at all those features, so every one that's coming off like that. Being to go full robotic with this and being able to do our lights out operation and so forth, we're able to triple our output on this machine compared to what we had on our normal machines.